Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our 2017 Ford Ranger double cab Wildtrak pickup. This is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle. I'm just going to walk you through some of the features on the car. To begin with, you've got the shadow black metallic paintwork. You've got the optional lockable integrated aluminium roller shutter on the back of the car. Daytime running lights with bi-xenon headlights at the front, as well as roof rails up top. Some of the contrasting metallic grey trim inserts around the car are part of your Wildtrak inclusions. You can see some of these trim inserts being displayed around the car here. You've got the 8-way electronic front seats for the driver with the Wildtrak embroidery on the back, and also the Wildtrak embroidery on the floor mats with the contrast orange stitching running throughout the cab. You've got power folding heated exterior door mirrors, your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, the continuation of the orange contrast on your gear gaiter with your leather-wrapped gear stick as well. Also, your leather-wrapped handbrake area. You've got some of your different driving modes, your climate control functions, your 12-volt points and your USB points as well. And then your centre screen where you've got access to your heated seat controls, DAB radio and your sat-nav, as well as the reversing camera. All of these standard inclusions on the Wildtrak variant of the vehicle. If you'd like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this particular 2017 Ford Ranger double cab Wildtrak pickup, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.